If you can draw a cube, you can draw anything. That's what my professor Justin from drawing and painting class always says. And I agree with him because today I'm going to teach you 3 steps that are essential for drawing anything. And I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect cube. So these 3 steps are sketching, shadowing, and details. And these 3 steps are actually the basics or the fundamentals of drawing any complex illustrations. So let's begin. And first step, we're going to draw sketch. Sketch should be according to perspective and proportion should be right. Because as Robertson and Bertling say that perspective is essential for understanding how the object exists in space and how it interacts with light. So to draw a perspective cube, we need to first draw 2 squares that are overlapping with each other, and also the 2 squares should be equal to each other, just like this. And now we're going to connect all these corresponding corners of the squares, and we'll have this kind of result. And this is actually very good and it looks 3-dimensional, but we're gonna go extra today, and we're going to erase these parts because we are going to identify the side that we're facing, and this is going to be this side. And now we're going to erase these all lines that we don't need. And now we have a cube that is, look, that is perspective. And after we're done with sketching, we're gonna go and shadow it. In order to shadow good, we need to first identify the light source and shade perfectly. Because as Andrew Loomis says, that shadowing defines how 3-dimensional your drawing looks. And also, shadowing can turn your flat drawing into 3-dimensional one. Yeah. And to as I mentioned before, to draw a perfect shadowing, you need to first identify where the light is coming from, and the area that is like closer to the light is going to be lighter, the lightest, and the area that is farther is going to be the darkest. So this is the middle. It's middle of light in shadow. So this is how you should shadow anything, and also your cube. And the next thing we do is details. This drawing is floating on the space, and we should put our object into surface. And in order to do that, we need to draw a shadow of an object. If you know what I mean, this is a this is a shadow in an object, but this is a shadow of an object. And that's it. And on details, the third step, the final step on details, you can do whatever you want. I mean, look how messy my lines are. You can just fix it on details part. Details part is very essential because you're going to just fix your mistakes and do whatever you like with your drawing. And finally, I'm going to show you some drawings that correspond to these 3 steps. First, the sphere. If you can see, this is the lightest part, this is the middle tone, and this is the darkest part, and this is the shadow of an object. I hope that you now understand what I was trying to explain to you. And in conclusion, these 3 steps are essential in drawing anything. Sketching, shadowing, and details are very important for you and for everyone to improve their art skills. And even if you have a drawing like this, hyperpigmentation, this kind of drawing, you can always, with these 3 steps, you can always turn your drawings into this. Yeah. So, I hope that this video was helpful for you and you just enjoyed this video. Thank you for attention.